ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናቸው? ባለፈው ሎጂክ ከ1 እስከ 15 አይተን ነበር። ዛሬ ደግሞ ከ16 እስከ 30 ያለችን እናያለን። ሚድ ኤግዛም ነው። ከኔ ጋር ቆዩ። አመሰግናለሁ። Question number 60. All sharks are birds. All birds are politicians. So, all sharks are politicians. Okay. A valid, B invalid, C sound, D weak, E strong. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Okay, A is the correct answer. That is valid, because a valid argument is a kind of a deductive argument. Says that if the premise and assumed as true, and that is impossible for the conclusion to false. Okay, in such argument, the conclusion follows strict necessity from the premises. So this should be valid. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Question number 17. This lovely china plate is similar in size, weight, and composition to the one just I dropped broke. So if I drop this lovely china plate, it will break. What kind of inductive argument? Okay. A, argument based on sign. B, inductive generalization. C, causal interference. D, argument from analogy. E, prediction. The correct answer is D, argument from analogy, because argument from analogy is an argument depending on the existence of an analogy or a similarity between the two things or state of affairs. So the correct answer should be argument from analogy. Question number 80. Okay, question number 18. All humans are mortal. Socrates a human. Hence Socrates is immortal. Okay. A, valid. B, invalid. C, sound. D, unsound. E, weak. Okay, the correct answer is what? C, sound. Here, in a logic, sound is a valid argument plus all the true premises. Okay. Here, all the humans are immortal, which is true premises. Socrates a woman, also true premises. Hence, the Socrates is immortal, also true conclusion. So if it is valid and all the premises are true, then this argument should be a sound. Okay, sound is a valid plus all true premises. So the correct answer is what? C, which is sound. Question number 19. All of the birds that have been observed in the entire history of the world can fly. Therefore, all birds can fly. What kind of argument is it? A, prediction. B, argument from definition. C, inductive generalization. D, causal interference. E, authority. Okay, what's the correct answer? The correct answer is C, which is inductive generalization, because inductive generalization is an argument that proceeds from the knowledge of a selected sample, okay, to claim about the whole group. So the correct answer is inductive generalization. Okay, question number 20. US food producers feed livestock 20 million tons of plant protein per year that could be consumed by humans, and the livestock yields only 2 million tons of protein. What kind of passage is it? Okay, A, explanation. B, illustration. C, report. D, warning. E, conditional statements. The correct answer is C, that is a report. Okay, a report is consists of a group of statements that convey information about some topic or some event. Okay, so this should be report. Okay, this try to convey information. Okay, so it's all. Okay, next part is a matching. So here Here is a column A and a column B. Under column A, we have 21 question. 21, demolish means destroy. 22, living things means such as plants and animals. 23, a substance is translucent if and only if when held up to strong light, some of the light came through. 24, regional state means such as the state of Afar, the state of Harari, the state of Oromia, etc. 25, angel is a word that originates from the Greek words analogies, which means messenger. Okay, so just try to match these questions. Under column B, we have a definition by genus and a difference. Synonyms definition, etymological definition, definition by subclass, demonstrative definition, enumerative definition, and operational definition. Okay, let's come to any one question. Demolish means what? Destroy. Okay, this definition should be what? B. That is synonyms definition, because synonym definition is a similar meaning. Okay, they have the same meaning. Okay, with demolish means simply is destroy. Okay, 22, living things means such as plants and animals. So the correct answer is D. Because a subclass, this one is a subclass. Okay, a subclass is assign a meaning to a term by naming a subclass of the class. Okay, denoted by the term. Living thing is a class, then animals and the plants are a subclass of the class, which means a subclass of a living things. Okay, 23. A substance is translucent if and only if when held up to strong light, some. 23, the answer should be what? G. That is operational definition. Okay, because operational definition is a word by specifying certain experimental procedure. So the correct answer should be G. C24, regional state means such as the state of Afar, the state of Harari, and the state of Oromia, etc. Okay, the answer should be what? The answer should be F, which is enumerative definition, because enumerative definition is assign a meaning to a term by naming the members of the class that the term denotes. Okay, so the correct answer is F. For number 25, angel is a word that originates from Greek words analogies. Angel, sorry, which means messenger. Okay, this should be etymological definition, obviously, because this assigns a meaning to a word by disclosing the word's ancestry in both its language and other languages. So it's all about. Okay, into part 3, and this is about the end part. Okay, part 3 writes true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is incorrect. Okay. Okay. Number 26, saying that in as much as owing to and implies that are all premise indicator. This is a tricky question. The answer is false, because here implies that is included in the given statement. So implies that is a conclusion indicator, not the premise indicator. Okay, saying that in as much as and owing to are all the premise indicator, but implies that are not a premise indicator, rather than it is a conclusion indicator. Number 27, intentional meaning is determined by extensional meaning. This false. Okay, because intentional meaning is determines extensional meaning, or extensional meaning is determined by intentional meaning. So the correct answer is what? False. Number 28, a term said to be vague if the term has more than one meaning in clearly distinct context. This is also false, because this is a meaning of ambiguity. Okay, this ambiguity is if the term has more than one meaning in a clearly distinct context, what you call a vague, ambiguity. Okay, not a vague. So the correct answer is what? False. 29. Okay, verbal disputes arise a result of disputes over facts. Okay, this also what? False. Okay, here is a point. Okay, in a logic, there are two forms of disputes. The first one is verbal, and the second one is factual disputes. Okay, and verbal disputes is a dispute that arises over the meaning of a language is called a verbal disputes. Okay, and the second one is factual disputes, which is a dispute arises over a disagreement about facts are called factual disputes. So this is false because a dispute arises as a result of dispute over fact. This is a factual dispute, not a verbal dispute. The last question. As philosophy is defined as critical enterprises has to do with engaging in reflective and rational thinking. This is obviously true. Okay, no need of explanation. So thank you. ዛሬ ትንሽ ፈጥን ብያለሁ። ምክንያቱም ያው ሚድ እየደረሰ ነው። እኔም እንደናንተ ተማሪ ነኝ እና ከጊዜ በጣም መስዋዕት አድርጌ ነው ይህን ቪዲዮ እየሰራሁ ያለሁት እና አመሰግናለሁ። ሼር አድርጉልኝ፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉልኝ እና ላይክ አድርጉልኝ። ቴንክ ዩ ቻው።